I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can redeem your Bifties gift card. So for those people who do not know Bifty is an online store where you guys can buy various jewelry product and other stuff which you guys can gift other people. Alright, so let me show you guys how you guys can redeem its gift card. But before that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel one step so you guys can get notified for our future video. If you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and let's get right into the video. So the first step is you want to go to your search engine and you want to search for Bifties. You search for Bifties, click on Bifty gift card over here. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the official website of Bifties. Once you're over here, you want to choose whichever gift card or whichever thing you want to buy. You can go to marketplace, choose whichever thing you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy a jewelry. I can click on it and I want to buy this mood earrings. I can click on mood earrings. So basically you just want to add whichever thing you want to buy to the cart. Alright, so I'm just doing this earring for an example, but you can add whichever thing to your cart. After you add a thing to your cart and you're sure you want to buy it, you just want to scroll a bit down and click on checkout. Once you click on checkout, basically it's going to ask you for like your payment method over here, but you want to go on this side over here where it says gift card or discount code. Over here you need to enter the code of your gift card. After entering the code of your gift card, just click on apply, and basically your Bifty gift card will be redeemed and it will be used to buy the stuff which is shown on your checkout screen. For me it's mood earring, for you it can be different. So that's basically how you guys can do it. Hope you guys were able to understand the video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.